and drift away. I don't care how high you are.
Because I arrive a bit faster. But it's strange, because usually new tire helps to stop the bike. This one, the new tire, especially braking for the first corner, but in general everywhere. Oh. Yeah, for arriving temperature you need 3 laps.
Like here, two laps, but
And the first 2 laps is like you go with the slick on the lane, especially on the left. For arriving temperature on the left edge, always very scary. No, yeah. When you feel that move, start to speed on the edge, and when the slide more on the edge, start to do the jump. So we are very, very close to the break. Yeah. Before was better, you lift the bike and it's better. But now you put new tire and try to push more for go faster. In fact, the lap time is better, but in braking every time.
not just ground, but doesn't stop. Yeah, okay.
Okay, and after from here, a lot of too much pressure on the arms, and you have the feeling that the front slides instead of good.
We know that now.
We'll be right back.